longhand is known as what? Okay. For tomorrow weekly test, clock only that portion, that much portion which I have completed. Okay, the shorthand is known as hour hand, the longhand is known as minute hand, this type of thing. Suppose 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, this type of thing. Okay, beta? Got it? So, Riddhima, Rishabh, Ankor, okay. Achha, and also learn money for tomorrow. Achha, now look at this. All of you are able to see the screen? Achha, already up to this we have completed yesterday, right? Up to this completed too. Okay, so let me start from this one. Are you able to see this? Look, if all of you are able to see this, just shake your head. Shake your head if you are able to see this. Okay, all of you, you are not able. The screen is not visible. Ankon, Lamia, are you able to see the screen? Then Pushpak, I don't know why Pushpak and Rishabh, you are not. Now you can see. Acha, okay, beta, okay, very good. Now look at this. Acha, first, days of week. Okay, already this one is written in your book, I know. But you will have to write in the copy, huh? Because if you don't write, this is mathematics too. If you don't write, then you cannot remember too much thing, huh? Suppose you think that, ma'am, it is on the book, we can read from the book, okay? Then it will not be your practice, okay? So all the thing you will have to write in your copy. Already. Acha, okay. Now, acha, about weekly test already I told. You know the syllabus though, which I told. Okay. अच्छा, now take out your copy, everyone. Copy निकालो. अच्छा, ये सब बुक में है, फिर भी तुमको लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर प्रैक्टिस, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस होगा, ये तो मैथ्स सब्जेक्ट है ना. अगर मैथ्स में ज्यादा लिखोगे ना, तब ज्यादा याद रहेगा. अंडरस्टूड तो? पुष्पा, देवत्तम, अंकुर, लामिया, राइट फर्स्ट. अंकुर, अच्छा, one thing I am telling, during the class, do not talk with any family member, any other person during the classes, okay? If you are talking with any other person during the classes, while the classes are going on, if you are talking to others, then I will remove. Got it? Okay, now look at this. Write days of the week. Write in your copy. Days of the week. Acha, before that, put the date also, huh? This is 12th of November. Days of the week. Which one is the first day? The first day is known as Monday. The days are starting from Monday, okay? So Monday is the first day. Monday. Number one. Second one, right? Tuesday. Write the third one. Wednesday. The fourth one. Thursday. Fifth one. Write it in your copy. Friday. Sixth one, Saturday. Seventh one, Sunday. Now let me say one thing. So which one is the third day? Third. Shukrit, which one will be the third day? Say third one. Yes, which one? Say Wednesday. Very good. Okay, which one is in number 3? Suppose 6th day. In number 6, Saturday, so 6th day. Okay. Acha. In the exam, the question may come like that. Suppose I am asking Wednesday, write the cardinal number of Wednesday. Then you will have to write third, 3, then RD. Got it? In this way, may the question come. Cardinal, ordinal, okay? Got it or not? Say yes or no. Okay. Suppose I am asking Rishit, what will be the ordinal number of Thursday? Achha, I have told cardinal. Okay. Basically the position, huh? Position means what? Ordinal. Suppose I am asking the cardinal number of Thursday. Then just you will write the number. Suppose I am asking ordinal number, then you will write 4th. Okay. So is it clear or not? Yes? Okay. Good. Very good, beta. So both are you have understood the ordinal, cardinal. May the question are coming like this. Okay. Okay. Now write it. This one. Dash is the third day. Just in your copy, you will write page number 119. Okay. In your copy. Then write fill in the blanks. No need to write all the things. Just fill. Then 1, 2, and 3. Only the answer. No need to write the whole statement. पूरा statement लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, ठीक है? सिर्फ fill page 119 in your copy. हाँ, now dash is the third day of the week. That one will be Wednesday. Right here Wednesday. Just write the answer. सिर्फ answer लिखो. सिर्फ answer लिखो, ठीक है? Now the next one. Number 2. Dash is the 7th day of the week. Sunday. So write Sunday. Now the next one. Third one. Friday is the dash day of the week. Friday. 5th. So write 5th. Completed every student, each of you. Shuhana, what happened? Shuhana, Alvira, Anubhav, Avigyan, understood to? Good. Ankushukil, completed. Pranavi, Anurag, Onkon Jana, Mohammad Riaz. Completed? Good. Very good, beta. Sholanki, Fai Mehmad, Shanvi, and Kushal. Sholanki, Fai Mehmad, Shanvi, and Kushal. Okay, good, beta. Rishit, beta, sit properly. I cannot see you. I can just see your head. Yes, now it is okay. Aditya, where are you? Okay. So now write month of a year. Now give heading month of a year. Month of a year. Give heading month of a year. Then write the month one after another. First January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And one thing you will have to do, for suppose you are writing 1 January, give hyphen, huh? Then put a hyphen. Here you will have to write how many days are there, okay? 30 days, 31 days in this one. So just write in this way. Number 2, February. Hyphen. Number 3, March. Then hyphen, okay? In this way, you will have to write. Ishan, write first. Ishan, beta, it's your birthday. Ishan, today, oh, so wish you a very, very happy birthday and many, many happy returns of the day. Okay, beta? And one more thing, do you know when the birthday will be the best birthday? If you study well, if you listen to your parents, okay? If you stay well, okay? If you keep quiet. Yes, to beta, Ishan? I'll unmute you, beta, huh? Don't worry. And then all the student, the other student also wish him, huh? All the student also, you will have to wish him happy birthday, okay? Huh? Achha. And Ishan, you will listen to your parents, listen to your teacher, yes, to? You will study well. Achha. Eat properly, okay, beta? Take care of your health also. Okay, now start to write, beta. Achha, now January is of 31 days. Okay, 31 days. Achha, how to count that which one is of 31, 32? Okay, only February is of 20, either of 28 days or 29 days. Okay, the other months are following a certain condition. What is that? Look at this. If you look at this one, okay, everybody look at your hand. Everybody look at your hand. Look at Acha. Now look at this. Shuhana, look at this, beta. Acha. Now look how to count which one will be of 31 and which one is of 30. Okay. Here are Acha, I am showing it. Look. Let me share it. Wait. I am showing it by now. This one is our wrist. This one palm. Yes, so if we fold it, look at this. If we fold it, then we will get, look, some portions there are, look, ucha wala, niche wala hai na? In this way, the bones are in this way na? Yes or no? Okay. So how to find out which one is of 31 and which one is of 30 days? Look, which one jo ucha wala jo portion hai na? That one will be of 31. First one, January. You have to count in this way. All of you do this. Follow me and do. January, February. A niche wala. Then March. Again niche wala. April. May. June. Niche wala. Upar wala. July. So it completed up to July done. Yes? Yes, though. Then again come back. After July, then come back here. August, September, October, November, December. Bas, completed. Got it? Now, what is the rule? The rule is, जो ऊपर वाला है, that one will be for 31 days. 31, okay? जो ऊपर है, उसके लिए 31 होगा. जो नीचे है, उसके लिए 30 होगा. ठीक है? So 31 days January. February नीचे. अच्छा, February is the exception case. हाँ बेटा, February is the exception case. Only for February it will be either 28 or 29. But for all the other month it will be always 30 when it will be here. Okay. ये जो नीचे वाले में जो मंथ आएगा वो 30. अच्छा, is it clear to everybody? Yes or no? Yes, shake your head. Yes, तो okay, very good. Then I am turning off my camera, okay? Because I have to share the screen. No, beta, I have to share the screen too. Then I have to turn off, okay, beta? Acha. Wait. So I think this one is. Now look at this. Let me share the screen, okay? Now only for February, it will be either 28 or 29. You will have to remember this one, this exception case, huh? This one is exception case. Otherwise, look, there is a rhythm, huh? Ek chand hai. Look at this. 31. Then forget about this. This one exception. Then 31, 30. 31, 30. 31, 30. 31, 30. Achha, here there is a one little bit different. Look at this. After July, August is again 31. Why do you know? Because after July again we are coming back, na? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. It stopped. Then again we are coming back at there, na? That will be August. That's why these two are of 31. One after another. Yes, so Uncle Lamia, is it clear? Okay, beta. Alvi, Muhammad Riaz, all of you, Aditya understood to Avigyan? Good, beta. Acha. Now look at this. Write down. Now just put hyphen. Put hyphen and write number of days also, huh? 31, then 28 or 29. 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Then again 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Okay, complete this one. Done? Lamia, what happened, beta? Why are you laughing? You have completed. Show me your copy first. Very good. Acha, okay. Now, here is one case. Look at this. That is, if February is of either 28 or 29. Now, when it will be of 28 and when it will be of 29. Okay. So, let me explain this one. At first, complete up to this. Achha, now look at this. February. That one will be of either 28 days or 29 days. Now, when it will be of 29 days, then the whole year, 1 year means this 12 month, then the whole year will be known as leap year. Leap year. Achha, note down these 2 points. Just make a bullet. Note down. When there are 29 days in February, then the year Acha, wait for a minute. What happened? Then the year is known as leap year. And in that case, the number of days in a year will be 366. The number of days in that particular year, is equal to 366. Acha, usually in 1 year, how many days are there? 365 to? Yes or no? Riddhima, Lamia? Acha, Ankon Patra, keep your camera on. Aditya, Rishit, how many days are there usually in 1 year? 365. Yes. Acha, also make another bullet. In a normal year, there are 365 days. Okay, complete this two. Completed. Anubhav, Shanvi, Pranavi, and Ankon Jana and Solanki done to. Acha, Shanvi, you have not. Pranavi not completed. Okay, I am waiting. I am waiting. Acha, understood to Pranavi beta? Okay, good. Shaptorshi, Bhai Mehmet, Devi, Solanki. Understood beta? Acha, Debatam, Shuprit, Shrevam, Ankush, Kuchait, Shuhana. Debatam completed beta? Acha, okay, good. Acha, now note some more points. Acha, 1 year is equal to 12 months, right? In 1 year, there are 12 months. How many months are there in 1 year? 12. That 12 months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Got it? Otrika, Atrika, Ishan, Sheikh Jishamani, Alvi, Kushal. Keep your camera on. Alvi Gore, Anuswa, keep your camera on. Just like every day, you are not turning on your camera. Anuswa, I'll remove you from my class. Acha. Fahim Ahmad, understood better? Completed? Acha, from Monday, I'll start computer, but a little bit portion is left. Only it will take maximum 1 day. Okay, to complete your math syllabus. So, on Monday, I will complete this left portion, mathematics. From Tuesday, I'll start computer. Okay, beta? All of you understood? Okay. Acha, Rishabh, Rishit, Lamia, Ankon Patra, Ankon Jana. Write first, then show me your copy. Those who have completed, they can show me their copy. The left portion I'll complete on Monday. Then syllabus will be complete.